Hello kids, colors name, it's beautiful color, shapes drawing and color fill. Its first color, orange color, green color, brown color, pink color, yellow color, red color, sky blue color, purple color and light pink color. Shapes drawing kids, green color, 7-point star, quadrilateral, round and rectangle, circle, L shape, star, star, color fill kids, light green color, seven-point star, red color, quadrilateral, black color, rounded rectangle, yellow color, circle, L shape, light pink color, L shape, light pink color, sky blue color, star, sky blue color, star, 7-point star, quadrilateral, round rectangle, circle, L shape, star. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.